Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck on the loading screen or not launching on Windows 11. Start by closing Valorant and the Riot client completely. Make sure they are not running in the background. Now restart your computer. This helps clear temporary issues that may be blocking the game. Next, find the Riot client on your desktop. Right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. This gives the game proper permissions to launch correctly. If the issue is still there, press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app. Scroll down and find VGC. This is the anti-cheat service used by Valorant. Double-click on it. Set the startup type to automatic. Then click Start if the service is stopped. Click Apply and OK. Now open the Riot client again. Go to Settings, then open the Valorant game menu and look for the Repair option. Run the repair to fix any missing or broken game files. If the game still does not launch, press Windows key and type Run. Open it and type %local app data %. Press Enter. Find the Valorant folder and delete it. This folder stores temporary game settings and cache files. Sometimes these files get corrupted and stop the game from launching. Deleting it forces the game to create fresh files. After that, restart your PC and launch the game. These steps should fix most loading screen and launch issues in Valorant. Thanks for watching.